Hello students of class 7. In the last video I've explained about the definition of the water pollution. So what is the definition of the water pollution? It is actually addition of any substance to the water that causes its a change in its physical and chemical properties which may be harmful for the living organism. That is what we call as the water pollution. Okay, now in this video I'm going to explain you about the causes of the water pollution, means what are the reason by which the water is getting polluted, okay, or how the water is getting polluted. So the first one is that household use and use as drinking water. So what is this? That we use water in our household, and also we use the water for the drinking purpose also. Household means for washing of the clothes, then washing of for kitchen use, for bathing, then for washing of clothes. All this we all in all of our most of the houses there are pumps present, and it actually the pumps actually drags out or pulls out the groundwater sources from the ground. And what happens, we this is a fresh water source, because while I was describing about the different types of the fresh water, I said about the groundwater. So groundwater is what? It is a fresh water source. Okay, it is very much fresh water, and it is very much suitable for the drinking water. Okay, and the groundwater is present below the soil layer. So this groundwater actually means it is present between the two soil layers, so it actually keeps or maintains a balance between the layers of the soil. Okay, but excessive use of this groundwater, excessive pumping of this groundwater causes a disbalance, because this layer gets emptied fast, and because of the it gets emptied fast, the balance between these two layers get disrupted. And when this balance between the two layers gets disrupted, what happens over there? Landfall takes place, or the soil get collapsed. Okay, when the soil gets collapsed, it causes great damage. Okay, so apart from if we can use the water for only in this groundwater, it's better to use only for the drinking purpose rather than for the household use, like for the kitchen or bathing or the washing. Because for washing means in many houses you will find that the cars are being also washed using that source of the groundwater only. So there are other sources of the water too, like you can purify the either apart from using the used means pure source of the water, you can reuse some water also. Next point is disposal as sewage. You will see nowadays in every ponds, means in your locality or wherever it is, every ponds that are present over there are being choked or being blocked by the disposal of the sewage. Why? People means the ponds are very easy source, or a very what will I say, the ponds or any lakes, they are the nearest location, and people has got the habits of dumping of the sewage in the ponds. Okay, when they are dumping the sewage in the ponds, they are using the plastics, then all the forms of the sewage over there. And what is happening, it is clogging up or blocking the ponds or the nearby canals or rivers. Okay, which is causing the water of this river, ponds, canals polluted, and as a result of that, the aquatic animals are also getting affected. Point number 3, for irrigation to raise the crop. Okay, so what happens for irrigation purpose also means in the for doing the agriculture, the ponds or the crops, this crops need water. So this water means most in the most of the agricultural land or agricultural plot, the fresh water sources are being used, like the fresh water sources from the groundwater, then the tube wells are being used for irrigating the lands or for providing the water to the crops. But in spite of doing so, if they are using rigorously this freshwater source for watering the crops, what happens, it affects or it reduces the water level. Okay, and when what happens, next point is point number 4, for generating electricity. So the water is also being used to generating electricity, and that type of the electricity we call this as the hydel power plant. Okay, what happened, in the mountainous region, the rivers are very much powerful, means the power of the river in the mountainous regions are very high, and it has got a high energy too. Okay, so in the course of the river in the mountainous region, what happens, some dams or some hydel power plants are being installed or being programmed over there. Then what happened, they over there some engines or some mechanisms are used in that region, and that mechanics or the mechanisms utilize this energy or the power of the river, and with the help of that they produce the electricity. Next point is point number 5, for cooling and manufacturing industrial product. So in every industries, the water is a very important thing. Okay, you take the example of an iron and steel industry, you take the example of petrochemical industry, you take the examples of this cotton textile industry. Every form of industries you will find that this water play a very important role for many ways, like after the production, the water is being used for cooling down of the machines, and also cooling down of the iron also in the iron and steel industry. After cooling down of the iron in the iron and industry, and also the cooling down the machines over there, the water is being used. Okay, so this is more or less the important use, or how the water is being polluted by the use by the men in many ways. Okay, so thank you everyone.